Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, my name is Kay and I love to make lifestyle and home decor videos here on YouTube. So today's video, guys, it's all about new home projects for the new year. So guess who's doing their outdoor kitchen? Your girl right here. I am super excited to show you the progress. We also got a new privacy fence. So remember when we were in our backyard, people could see us from the outside. In the pool, no, that's not longer gonna be the case. I'm excited to have a privacy fence. We have put in a fence that is gonna be 6 feet in that area. Also, we're gonna be working for the spring on the garden outside in the front yard. I'm excited for all these home projects. So stay tuned to watch the rest of the video. Started our Saturday morning by picking up all the appliances for the outdoor kitchen, like the barbecue grill, the burner, and all of that good stuff. We borrowed my stepdad's pickup truck to do all of this, and then we headed to the nursery where I picked the palm trees that are gonna go in front of the house. I was super excited for this. Special shout out to my neighbor Danielle. He helped Jonathan to dig the hole for my little palm tree and they got to work and the kids loved it. Jaden missed out because he was at my mom's house, but his kids, they love helping. They were so cute. So stay tuned for the spring because my neighbor Danielle is gonna help me create a really beautiful little garden for this area during the springtime. Meanwhile, Miss Little Kaylin was enjoying her life, getting a little ride. Look how cute in the ride-on car. So on Monday was go time for this home renovations. So the fence company got there really early and this is a privacy fence that we're gonna be putting. I went with horizontal lines and PVC fence. They did an amazing job. I was really happy with the way everything turned out. And then also it was day one for the outdoor kitchen. Here I recorded a little bit of the behind the scene of putting up the fence. I was in and out of the house so I couldn't record the entire process. But here's a little bit of the progress and here's how the fence looks now, you guys. I am obsessed with this. So in the backyard, it was day one also for the outdoor kitchen. And on day one, technically what they did was the plumbing, the electrical wires, they put them through and also a foundation because my pavers are sitting on sand. So you need to create a foundation so the kitchen doesn't sink in with time. So this is what they were doing here. And as you can see, they also did the drainage system for the sink area. After day one, this is pretty much how everything looked. As you can see, you see some electrical stuff there, some plumbing stuff, and electrical here for the island as well. Then I headed the next day on Tuesday to look at countertops. And it was hard, you guys. When I tell you that beautiful porcelain slabs that I was obsessed with, but the price, guys, they were like 1400, 1500, 1600. So I went with granite because it's more durable anyways to be outside. They also have a lot of beautiful choices, so it was a hard decision, but I ended up picking this black one that you see there. On day two of the kitchen, they started doing the framing, so all the aluminum framing, and here were my choices for the PVC wall that we're going to be using around the kitchen. And I had a hard time deciding between this one and the gray one. This kitchen renovation happened super quick. I am so happy with the way Levan works. On day three, they continued with the framing and he also added the electrical for the kitchen. And here I am again trying to decide which PVC wall I'm gonna use. So this is my option and then this is option 2. So anyways, guys, I went with the gray one, so I can't wait to show you how everything looks when the kitchen is done. 3 days later, this is how the kitchen looks. It was pretty much at this point ready for countertops, so they couldn't do anything else. We needed to wait for the countertops to be installed in order to move to step 2. And I'm giving you a close-up here so you guys can have an idea. We're gonna have a grill, we're gonna have a burner, ice maker, fridge, all that good stuff. So the hubby was picking up a lot of the dirt that was left from the fencing. He was cleaning up the area. And look, you guys, we gained 8 feet of backyard. It looks amazing in this area now. And of course, we're gonna extend our floors to that area. Then the hubby also took out the old fence because our bulk garbage is gonna pass. So that was great timing with this. So we could get rid of all this junk. So we're getting closer with the outdoor kitchen finale because the countertops are here, and I was so excited, but at the same time I was super nervous because I was like, oh my god, did I pick the right slab? I wanted one of the slabs that was honestly way overpriced. It was like 1,600, and I was like, this is for the outdoors, I don't want to spend that much. And I needed 2 slabs, so because I'm doing the waterfall in the island, so I went with this one. This one was at a good price. I paid about $9.50 plus tax for each slab, and I got 2 of them. Guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video gives you some inspiration and some ideas to do some of these home projects at your own home. And I will see you all on the next video to share with you the final review of the outdoor kitchen.